Good morning, people. I'm Kat and welcome to dog grooming day. I bought this bit of kit off of Amazon and it came yesterday and I've charged it overnight. It said don't do it more than 10 hours. I did it more than 10 hours, but it seems fine. This is a professional hair clipper designed for the professional, which I am not. This is the first time I am going to groom my own dog because it's like £30 a time to get my dog groomed and washed. So it's got a picture of a dog on it so we don't confuse it with the men's trimmer. And listen how quiet it is. This is a low noise specifically for doggies. Can you hear that? Just really lovely quiet. It's ceramic. It's got 4 different lengths. I've got it currently at 12 millimeters. But I'm thinking I want it shorter. Purely because Trixie, the one I'm grooming, is quite matty and dirty and stinky. So I don't want it to be full shave. I want her to have some hair there. So this came with the charger. 4 different lengths. Well, actually it's 5. You've got full shave. You've got 12 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 6 millimeter. Oh, hello, 3 millimeter. So yeah, you've got 5 different lengths you can do. You've got the nail clipper, which there you go. So they're funny old things. Clip, clip, clip. Not sure about that. I'm not going to do that today. My dogs, I think they're fine. I'll have a look. You've got a nail file, doggy nail file. It's nice and pink because I've got 2 girly dogs. Comb, lovely metal comb. This is all good solid stuff. A pair of scissors to chop around her muzzle, and of course the cleaning brush to clean off all the hair and grub and bits. I got all of this for the amount that I'm going to put here somewhere. Let's go and play with our new toy because Trixie is matty and stinky. The girl needs some care and love and attention, bless her heart. Let's go.
You can see her bum bum.
Oh, yeah. Right then, let's give this a go. I'm not sure exactly what you can see. It's going to be wobbly because Trixie is on the table. Not sure she's going to like it. Ooh, I've never done this before. Right, calm and assertive.
Calm.
Ooh, and there you go. Right. Give it another go. Thank you. Right then. It's lovely and quiet. Stretch the skin. Not the hair. If you pull the hair,
This is black.
if you pull the hair, you run the risk of pulling the skin up into the blades and you'll cut the skin.
This is really cool. Oh, this bit is smooth.
Leave her alone.
Oh,
Let's go from the top. quite matty.
You should do her hair too.
This is her hair. What are you talking about?
Her hair on her
On her head? I'm doing that. I'm just going to do her body first.
Oh.
She's standing very well. Aren't you, Trix? You're standing very well for your haircut.
Ooh. Mummy, she's going to have a treat after that.
She is going to have a lovely treat.
Yeah.
Aren't you, Tricky?
Wow.
Oh, sit. Okay.
She likes it, and she does. Come back. It doesn't matter if we get dirty, Mummy, with dog hair.
No.
Because we can shake all off like a dog. We can. I mean, we can shake all off like a dog. We
Yeah.
can. Pass me some.
Delicate bit. You are so good. Yes, you are.
She's
You're
really
doing such a
smooth,
wonderful
she is.
job.
And she's really smooth. I touched her and she's really definitely
Yeah.
actually smooth.
What we can do after this, we can give her a lovely bath.
And give her a treat first.
That, Trix. Look at you, all beautiful. I bet that feels better, doesn't it, eh? Oh, yes. Oh, and there it goes. My battery of my charger, my the battery of the groomer ran out, so I did some scissor work on Miss Trix and gave her a bath. I don't think that's a bad job for a first attempt. Is it, Tricky? Oh, she's looking a bit scruffy now because she's a little bit wet, aren't you, Puddin'? But yeah, she's got a couple bits. You see there on the backs of her, on her back legs and just under her tummy there, some fluffy bits. But she's good. But yeah, and she stood really well for her haircut today and for her bath. So I'm very impressed with Miss Trixie, and I'm also very impressed with my new groomer. It did run out of batteries, but I think that's because I took too long, you know, being my first time doing it. It is going to take me a while. And I was trying to get it all perfect, wasn't I? And you look good, don't you? Yes. This is Mummy's new job, keeping Trixie trimmed. Anyway, close up that door. Mama loves ya. Yes, I do. And I love you, Millie Pants. Yes. Millie's not getting trimmed purely for the fact that Trixie goes on heat and doesn't let her sleep in the housey bit. She's not allowed to go in there. So we're going to keep Millie long over the winter, because otherwise she's going to get chilly out here sleeping, isn't she? Because you're mean to her, aren't you? Gorgeous little pudding. I highly recommend the trimmer. Super easy to use. Dog was happy, nice and quiet, no problems whatsoever. So yes, massive thumbs up for that trimmer. I'm not doing this post for any reason. I just bought one and I wanted you to have a look and see how awesome it was. Or not. And it turns out it was awesome. So yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I will see you another time. Have a great day.